And people no be smart, they say that the gentle the Yahoo don't come outside, come send a strong message again, review how Hope Uzodinma and the Nigerian government wanted to buy them. E no end for there. I come hear wetin the lawyer of Mazi Nnamdi Kanu talk, say even this prison wey dey prison Mazi Nnamdi Kanu na illegal, and at the end of the day Mazi Nnamdi Kanu will get in total freedom. Abeg more na watch the videos before we come back and continue. Stay tuned.
When you fast forward to October 2022, when the Court of Appeal discharged Mazi Nnamdi Kanu, there was also a judgment issuing from the Federal High Court sitting in Umuahia, which had declared his rendition from Kenya as unconstitutional. It didn't stop there. It went as far as declaring his continued detention in Abuja as unconstitutional. What will you do or expect a responsible government to do when the detention of her citizen is declared unconstitutional? You open the gates of the detention center and allow the citizen the free pass to go home. That's what Mazi Nnamdi Kanu deserved to have been done with him since October 2022 when that judgment came. But the federal government never did. That's part of the reason why we are saying his detention has turned extrajudicial and is no longer backed by any coroner. 6, regarding the December 2023 judgment of the Supreme Court, which people are touting as having sent Mazi Nnamdi Kanu's case back to the High Court for trial, it doesn't end there. If it ends there, then it's a mischievous conclusion. The court went further. It said Mazi Nnamdi Kanu needs to go back to the High Court for trial, but it also said the High Court should not have revoked his bail. It also said that by revoking his bail, the impartiality of the High Court judge had become suspect. Ladies and gentlemen, you may not be lawyers, but when the apex court of the land tells a High Court, you should not have done this, what remains is for the High Court to do that which, or undo that wrong which he had done. And Section 287 of Nigerian Constitution backs this up, because under that section, all subordinate courts in the country, or all courts in the country, are subordinate to the decisions of the Supreme Court. It never happened. 7. Now, talking about the much vaunted trial of Mazi Nnamdi Kanu, we raised objections to this trial too, based on the conditions of his detention, which were very stringent and highly prejudicial to his right to fair trial. This application was summarily denied, and an accelerated trial was ordered in its place. We raised a second objection based on certain constitutional infirmities and statutory issues we noticed in the charges facing against Mazi Nnamdi Kanu. This too was summarily denied. So if you were Mazi Nnamdi Kanu, what will you do under the circumstances? To succumb to a trial you knew in your heart to be going towards the trajectory of an unfair trial, or to seek alternatives?
Let me use this opportunity to break down the way these evil leaders is when poison, so that our people will hear and understand it clearly. What was Uzodinma? If I am saying, make investigation, make your inquiries. There was a man, there is a man that called Madabuchi, Anderson Madabuchi. This Madabuchi, Anderson Madabuchi knows what I'm talking about. He's still alive. But because of the poison that he gave to us, he have lost his house, 2-story building in Owerri. He doesn't play. We know the play, we know the laugh. Because he was the one that Hope Uzodinma, that's Soludo, Pitamba, Mufuru, with DSS, Obrinze, and the Enugu 82 Division, with all these Tiger Bears. They collude together, plan the poison. They call the young man. The young man is living at Kenya. He based in Kenya. The young man based in Kenya. I hold his picture. I hold his video. Everything about him, I am holding it. The young man has a little link to us. He has our link. Oh yeah, just know mama do lebuya. Hope Uzodinma si na him. Hope Uzodinma si him na-ekwu okwu asị. Hope Uzodinma pụta sụọ alụ ama. Hope Uzodinma nwụghị. Meji aka m kụrụ nwe m akpatili myself. Hope Uzodinma plan. Somebody put away a leader. Somebody put away a leader. Somebody that calls himself a leader. That is leading Imo State. But I really appreciate you, Okigwe, Madatna. Chairman of APC now, Panapula and Yonya Hausa. I will put on here. Now the Carlos say, serve them and come back in shame. Anapula chairman. What was the plan? The 10. Where are the poison? Where through one woman, informant, they are informants in DSS. How would I bought this man and I bought Ernest and Madabuchi from Isikuato, Abia State? Would I bought this young man? Would I wine, Manya? Would I this young man? In which we saw him, we was very happy that now we're guy. That now somebody I'm off ma. I am making only I'm off ma who's me I'm off ma. Can we go quick our people what I off ma? Where Manya wine is what a wine, whatever. Without knowing that now here one the one poison to give to all the commanders. More Butozo B44 Owam Butozo and all the rest of commanders. We are together. About had the meeting. I know the day come. Let's discuss what I get you and what wine out. I am an hope about fighter jets. I buy more tank. I buy you could buy him from where you hold or batara. About Lagoria coach woman there. I got my Macalabia fry issue about that plan like country. Then the young man and the mania. Here I surprise one. The reason why I want the mania one. I never lose on one man and what they call Munna because I don't know the Munella Tonoton.
Yes.
Okay, with Anya Coupe File no Kawana Domun. I am was in Casa for other Sunday. But thank God for Chukoki Kagama. Thank God for the ghost of the land. Many people thought that I was joking, I was playing. But I'm making one mother from more. But that time my father standing in my presence, where am I going to?
Hey!
That I'm not that. Go back. No, Ruben. No, Ruben, I should go back. I like a Muslim lag. Sharpman goes on lag. I like a Muslim lag. Leave me all alone. I want to head where I am heading to. No, that I have no way here. I have no any accommodation here. I'm like back and okay, Ruben. I'm like Nam which I came alive today. And I thank God for Biafra. And when I do a true son of the soil. Yes. I got my wafa. Yahoo, Kahopu. Then do it when you're the poison. But later on, you guess what happened? They went to Hemesri last. Last, Hemesri Mewana. Hope, no less equal, Ernest and Madabuchi Naka. Hajela Abafa with Dibia Moka Yorubaha. Dibia Moka Yorubaha, that many of them is gone. A man and then many of them is gone on them will not take it. And then will not take it well at the back. I all was. I had a was. I am got it. I don't shall take it. Well, and in keep up down before I got one also. Hey. Did you the Halash, they have died. Many of them have died. They remain few people. They don't die. You guess what? 500 million naira page release shine. One nine work you another the contracts. 500 million. 500 million. They go release shine. One nine work you and I'm gonna learn out of the 500 million. First payment was made 20 million naira. 20 million naira. Ego Hope Unyanaya through DSS and Tiger Bay. DSS and Tiger Bay is called 10 million naira. What 10 million naira when you now that's 5 million. That's 500 million naira was paid by Onyo Shah. This organ have bet. But on where Put on where Tiger Base commander. That organ harvester put on where Tiger Base commander. That 500 million was paid in his account. The Tiger Base and the DSS of Nigeria squandered the money. Honest, the Madabuchi and what the anything for 1 naira.
Very good. Oh, very good. Hey, very good.
They will promise you heaven and earth, but at the end, you got lost.
Yes.
They will promise you heaven and earth. At the end, you got lost. Yes. I'm going to because I'm an and I will be the one to expose them. And I will be the one to scatter them. And I am scattering them. The kind of leaders as in the when I forgot the kind of leaders full of action. He put a question for the table, but he pressed the hell in your jaw. My brother, my people, the reason why even my village was throwing allegation on me that time because they escalated the news that they brought 500 million because everyone want to partake in that money.
Hey.
Everyone wants to partake in that money. That's why you have to get allegations in travel for once. They need your help. They need your help. I'll feed them. Now Okigwe is calm. Everywhere now is calm in Okigwe. Everywhere is calm in Okigwe. And I am so much happy for that. I'm one here with the peace.
Good.
In Okigwe. Not hope, Uzodinma. Not the chairman of the local government. I brought the peace in Okigwe and I made it. And when I had to call I'm not any atom of war. Any atom of war in Okigwe. Hey, yeah. I'm not. In Rotano go the Alabama or Sona or Okigwe get but that's everywhere gas scatter. In fact, I got money to kill I go to war.
Yes, sir. Yes.
I got money to kill I go to war in Biafra land. I can never be afraid of them. If you fear, you die. If you not fear, you die. Why will you see the way to fight and actualize your freedom and you'll be afraid? Why will you be afraid of that? So, Biafrans, we are still standing in the Bangladesh.
Yeah.
And
now,
strong. Man knows of the Anya, or the boy they won't wear. Man on a local I will not kidnap in no worship. You can't be those struggle. Man of plan will follow Biafra. Man, all an amazon and make enough in the mother label maybe book or like this. But can I ask when you talk, oh, it's one kataya. Or you talk, it's one kataya, or two for Hojo, whereby where to pack it and kataya. Asmunda Lila Bamwa, and the Flania. Ndi Boko Haram, Mutila, Nasina, 117 terrorists repented, reintegrated in military. Actually, they were uniform. Where I would have a libo. Cherabo Muna in the military, where Chica has some visa for us. Everywhere had to stop. That was what they was doing to us.
Stand down.
The Roman stand down. Hali Legajala West Remedy like a L'Oreal Palanco.
He said,
I must expose them. They have done a lot of evils, and Igbos need to wake up. This is time for revolution.
Yes.
This is time for revolution. Igbos need to stand up. They have done a lot to us. When I was serving the Nigerian army, I escaped from Sambisa Forest.
Wow.
I group of them. I went in Dibo, throughout Ndibo. I went Bronya Osatano. I went Yoruba few. I made March. The dear Sambisa Forest. Egano, Sambisa Forest. At the middle, they have met call. They have set their men, all those terrorists. They have set them up. Every time the middle, they will order you. Don't move and don't shoot yet.
Hey.
Don't move, don't shoot yet. A guy man plan alo tage shwe binya ha motanka. A guy man plan alo ka shwe binya ha motanka. And ammunition. A guy no there before you could know it. Onyo la so onwe. Ndi ya anwo ndi Chineke si na ha erube enwu escape. They will be free. And I am using this wonderful opportunity also to appeal to our people now in the military because that was the same message that they was given to us then here. That if you go out of this military, it is your the same people that's your the same people that will kill you. My brothers and sisters, we cannot kill any one of you. Come back when the space is there for you. Come out when the space is there for you. Come and join your people in uniform to fight against your own people. Onye na-ewu ewu na-eji ketụ anyụmamịrị ala yuzudu na-aghọrọ gị bịa gị lakwa ha ndị iberibe ọ na-ewu ewu anyụmamịrị Igbos lana Obi Kubana la chief priest ikenshi narali ndị iberibe iru ugwu Awụsa ha ghọrịa gị were one plot of land nye gị 50,000 iruo Yoruba ha nye gị 25,000 gaa ṅụrịa inwekwara amamihe you develop their own state. In your own state you never develop anything, you never done anything in your own state. And you say that, you are saying that you are wise. Tell me where your wiseness is. Tell me your wiseness.
Well, yeah.
The chief of Boko Haram, Shetima, he put on the chief priest. He began like a secretary. He went on my here. He put come where you are. I will on your plan. He put
Arrow.
We are ashamed of our people.
Yes.
The shame of our people, they shame us. Those that doesn't understand. Dear friends, we are winning the war. And we are really appreciating all of you for the effort and every other thing. So because for the rest of my master, the triple general, I greet you all. We don't condemn the room. Allah Biafra, Allah Nigeria. Allah Biafra belongs to Igbo people. It belongs to Biafrans. All are Igbos, please. And I am still saying, let Igbos come together. Let us fight what is after us. Let us come together. Let us fight what is after us. We don't condemn the room.
My people, share this video and drop your own opinion for inside comment section.